It was just over a year ago that the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, and life changed dramatically for all of us. Here in Halton, this month we reached a grim milestone. We have now surpassed 10,000 cases of COVID-19. My thoughts are with the families who have suffered losses over this difficult year. While vaccination in long-term care homes has helped to reduce cases of COVID-19 in those settings, cases continue to rise in the community and variants of concern continue to spread. How well we are able to control the rate of spread will determine the severity of a third wave. With spring on the horizon, vaccine efforts ramping up, and talk in other countries of a return to normal in July, it is tempting to revert to our normal ways. However, now is not the time to let down our guard. Dealing with COVID-19 is an ultramarathon, one that none of us signed up for. Yet, as tough as it is, we all know what we need to do to make it to the finish line. Practice physical distancing, wear a mask in shared spaces, and stay home when ill. Our actions over the next few weeks will be critical in determining the quality of our summer. As the spring weather arrives, enjoy the outdoors, but please remember the need for physical distancing remains when you are outside. And for Navroz, Easter, Passover, Ramadan, and other spring celebrations and events this year, please make plans to celebrate virtually and avoid gatherings with those outside your household. In-person celebrations will be possible again, just not yet. Right now, your individual choices and actions are critical to helping control cases in Halton. Ramping up our vaccinations will also help us make it to the finish line, and we are making progress. The COVID-19 vaccine has been provided to long-term care and retirement home residents and staff, and prioritized healthcare workers. Earlier this month, our community clinics began vaccinating residents aged 80 and older, ensuring that many of our community's most vulnerable are protected against COVID-19. We've already delivered over 40,000 doses in Halton, a significant accomplishment. Starting this week, more older adults will be able to book appointments at our vaccine clinics, and we hope to be able to continue adding further eligible age groups as more vaccine becomes available this spring. I'm so proud of our teams and our community partners who have supported us in achieving our progress to date. And I am so grateful to all of you for the sacrifices you have made over the past year. At this point in the race, it is hard to see the finish line, but it is important to remember that pandemics all end, and we will make it there together. I also want to assure you that there will be enough vaccine for everyone. Learn more about our efforts to respond to COVID-19 by visiting halton.ca/COVID-19, and about vaccines, eligibility, and what to expect at a clinic by visiting halton.ca/COVIDvaccines. As we head into spring and the final stretch, take time to enjoy the beauty around us. Be kind to yourself and to others. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and stay informed.